Hey guys, this is like very quick video on what is actually like alternatives to Turnitin. So the first one that you can actually check out is called DupliChecker. So the DupliChecker is the first one. Boasts vast database with billions of resources, allows to import text files from Dropbox and Google Drive. DupliChecker beat quetex by finding all 4 plagiarized sentences. For example, sometimes the DupliChecker misses obvious plagiarism that's published online, and it can say your text is unique even when it isn't. In the download report, plagiarized text is not connected to the source and heavy ads on the interface. So that's something to be aware of. Another one that you can actually check out is Crossplag. So this is like a multi-language checker, and if you're looking for free alternative, you could try Crossplag. Crossplag is the most popular free alternative to Turnitin. So check this out one. So it's the first and only plagiarism tool offering both single language and translations, plagiarism checking more than 100 languages, comparing each writing with more than 100 billion texts worldwide. And also the cons is that free tier has word limits, less established than competitors, and fewer advanced features. So that's for the Crossplag. Then also you're gonna have the Plagiarame. This is another one that you can check out for yourself. Maybe you will like it. You can see like a lot of tools. Now with the Plagiarame is that best for quick checks, free basic tier available, simple, easy to use interface, quick results, and the cons: limited free scans, smaller database, and premium needed for full reports. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video provided value, and have a great day and goodbye.